Welcome to the dashboard guide for AMAD. In this video, we'll explore the various features available on your dashboard. Let's start with editing your user details on AMAD. Click on the Account tab in the left side menu. Here, you can edit your personal information and add extra information, such as profile picture and phone number. Once you are done, click on the Save Changes button. You can also change your password in this section. At the bottom of this panel, you can download the Python API, which you can use to interact with user notebooks and their data directly from Python scripts or JupyterLab. If you want to know more about our API, please check the Python API section of the user manual. Now, let's move on to the second tab, Groups. Here, you can find lists of all groups that include you in their roster, if you are included in several research groups. You can find individual information about the group such as group name, keywords, and membership status. In the Search tab, you can search for other groups by typing a keyword. Finally, if you click the New button, you can create new user groups. One thing to note here is that the group name and the research cannot be changed later once they are saved. However, the description and keywords can be edited later, so don't worry. Now, let's learn about the Notebooks and Projects tabs from the sidebar. Here you can search the list of all electronic notebooks that you can read or edit, or create a new one. You can filter the list by using the Search button. Now, if you wish to create a new notebook, click the New button. First, you need to fill in the title and abstract, as well as the notebook type. When creating a new notebook, it's important to select the notebook type correctly. There are 4 different notebook types available: computational, experimental, review, and data collection. Please remember the notebook type you selected cannot be edited later. Projects are essentially containers for notebooks, and here, it lists all the projects you can access. If you click the New button, you can create new projects, just like creating new user groups or notebooks. Now, let's move on to the next feature. In this tab, you can add the laboratories you are a member of, along with the equipment, members, and samples associated with them. When you click the Lab Details button, you can see the list of equipment available. There are 4 lists under the Equipment section: Instruments, Tools, Consumables, and Samples. Also, instruments can be booked when you click the calendar icon under Booking. In the Messages tab, you can check the internal messages sent to you personally, or to a group you belong to. In the Search tab, you can search for anything from a user account to a specific data record in a notebook that you have access to. That concludes our dashboard guide for AMAD. In the next videos, we'll take a closer look at each of the features in the notebook editor. Click on the next video to learn more about it.